Okay, everybody, Miss C has run into a snag. For some reason, the internet is running slow today, and I'm having troubles getting videos uploaded to YouTube, and I'm also having trouble getting the video to run on my computer. So when I can get that video to run, I will go ahead and record it for you. In the meantime, if you can get on Think Central, you can watch it on your own, okay? It is 8.3, and it talks about estimation. Remember, estimation is guessing based on the information that we know, the information that we have. So if we go back to the beginning of our book and we look at the definition for estimate, it says it tells an amount that tells about how many. So it's not actually the exact amount, but it's an about, okay? So on page 554, it wants you to estimate using a bead how long a string is. So again, if I were to measure a pencil and we use the die to estimate how long the pencil is. So if I take this and I put it end to end to end all the way across my pencil, I'm going to guess how many of these I'm going to measure and get an estimation of how long the pencil is. About how long is the pencil? It is about 10 die long, okay? So the same thing you're going to do all the way through page 554 and 555 using that bead as a 1-inch measure and measuring across those strings, okay? When you get to page 556, it wants you to do some word problems. So I'm going to read through a couple of them and we will do them together, okay? The first one is Sasha has a string that is the length of 5 beads. Each bead is 2 inches long. What is the length of the string? So she has a string that is 5 beads long, and each bead is 2 inches long. So if I were to take and draw a string, okay, this is my string. Okay, it's a very crooked string, but it's a string, okay? And it says that it measures 5 beads long. And when we measure this, it's telling us that our bead is 2 inches long, okay? So if we are measuring with this bead right here, and we're pretending that bead is 2 inches long, if I measure 2 inches 5 times, how long is that? That's where our skip counting comes in. So we have 5 sets of 2, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right. So that is approximately 10 inches. Okay. Number 9. Maurice has a string that is 15 inches long. He has beads that are each 3 inches long. How many beads will fit on the string? So if his string is 15 inches long and the beads are 3 inches, they want to know how many 3s are in 15. So again, this is where your skip counting is going to come in. So if we skip count by 3s and we see how many it takes us to get to 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So that is going to take us 5 beads for number 9. All right. So please remember, the reason we practice skip counting all the time is to help us make things go easier so we don't have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, it is helping us get ready for that multiplication, okay? Which you guys are all going to be 3rd graders sooner than you know. And you're going to have to learn how to do multiplication, okay?